today's the day that part of LA died, and it's been a tough day. And I know I'm gonna shed a lot of tears in days to come. And right now it's kind of you're around a lot of people, but when you take those moments and you're by yourself and you really start thinking about it, it's hard to imagine that he's gone.
The fact that he had daughters and I was playing sports growing up.
And his daughter in the building, breaking down the game.
I love this.
The plan that we have in place of how I teach them is a 6-year plan. And how I teach the game. So you teach it in increments. You teach them piece by piece by piece by piece by piece. You're just very patient.
And like preaching that you reiterate every
Get better every day. Just get better every day. That's all.
A tragedy has befallen the world of basketball. Earlier today, at the age of 41, Kobe Bryant was killed in a helicopter crash. In 20 seasons with the Lakers, Kobe was a 17-time All-Star, 2-time NBA Finals MVP, 2-time Olympic gold medalist, and 5-time NBA champion. The NBA and the game of basketball will mourn this loss together. Please join us in a moment of silence for Kobe Bryant. Rest in peace, Mamba.